Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Mazda CX-30 key fob battery easy guide. Use a small flat tool to gently pry open the fob along the seam and separate the halves carefully. Remove the old coin cell battery using tweezers, note its orientation, and replace it with the same type. Reassemble the case, test the buttons, and verify remote locking and unlocking before finishing then. Gather a small flat screwdriver, a replacement CR-2032 battery, and fine tweezers before starting. Work on a soft surface to avoid scratching the fob and losing small parts. Keep the battery orientation in mind and dispose of the old cell safely at a recycling point, and wash your hands if they contacted battery residue. Also test the new battery voltage if possible, and ensure the replacement matches size and polarity to avoid damaging electronics. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple car DIY guides. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, perfect for picking up crumbs and hair after in-car projects. It also saves you time and keeps floors spotless between sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals for a great price. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. First, remove the mechanical key and open the fob seam. Carefully lift the battery, noting the plus and minus orientation, and insert the new CR-2032 cell with the same face up. Snap the case back together and reinsert the mechanical key. Confirm the fob works by pressing lock, unlock, and panic buttons near the car. Also try resensing by holding buttons near the car.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.